Good evening, Criminal Night families. I want to thank you for taking the time to visit our virtual open house. My name is Mr. Harper, and I'm the principal here at Criminal Intermediate. Normally, we would have invited you onto the campus to follow your students' schedule and receive information from your students' teachers. Because of current safety concerns and guidelines, we want to see if we can still provide you with the opportunity to get that information. So, the Criminal staff has created a virtual website where each of our teachers have provided important information about their classes, communication, and other items that a parent may want to have access to. The website is formatted with an introduction homepage and then a menu that is divided by content area. You're welcome to jump around your student schedule and click on the content area followed by the teacher's name. Then you can view the teacher's presentations by PowerPoint, video, and other media formats. If you have questions for a specific teacher, I would invite you to fill out the Google form that is on the front page labeled Parent Questions. You can fill out the form multiple times for different teachers. These questions will be shared with the teachers, and then you should expect a response within 24 to 48 hours. Please know that it has been exciting to have students return to us both online and on campus, and that we appreciate everyone's efforts to stay connected and support student success. Continue to check Skyward to see how your student is doing, and watch us on Facebook, Twitter, and Remind for updates. Thank you again, and have a blessed evening.